To create AI wallpaper on a Google Pixel 11 Pro, first of all, you want to go to Settings. Now, over here in Settings, search for Wallpaper and Style. And then here in this section, you might be able to find AI wallpaper. So if you do, you can just tap over here. In case you cannot find it here in this section, then tap on more wallpapers, and then surely you should be able to find it somewhere over here. So in my case, it is in this place. Now we can choose the theme that we want to use for our wallpaper. So let's say in my case, I'm gonna choose this translucent option. And then we have a couple of phrases that we can customize. So we have a whole prompt, and then these phrases that have these dots below means that we can tap on them and we can make some slight adjustments. So for example, here I'm gonna switch to the, let's say the apple slice. And then instead of pink, let me use, let's say, I'm just gonna choose gray, why not? And then we can tap on create wallpaper. But if you close this menu over here, you can use I'm feeling lucky to randomize this whole prompt, and then you might be able to get a pretty decent wallpaper anyway. I'm gonna actually tap on and create wallpaper, and if you go here for the first time, if you choose this option, then you need to choose the account that should be used to generate the wallpaper. Now just wait a couple of seconds to let the AI create the wallpaper for you, and most likely you will get a couple of examples, so then you should be able to choose which one you like the most. Alright, there we go. Now here we can swipe to see all of these different examples, and if you like any of these wallpapers, then you should be able to just tap on this check in the upper right corner, and then we have the option to just set up the wallpaper. You can still go to preview and you can zoom in and zoom out and adjust the wallpaper. There we go. And once you are ready, just tap on the next. And then you can decide if the wallpaper should be applied on the lock screen, home screen, or both of these screens. And tap on apply. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.